Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Class, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Hannah.
Hello, Hannah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be here with you again today. My name's Daniel.
How are you today, Daniel?
I'm doing fantastic, Hannah. I always feel excited when we record a new episode for our English learners. Helping people learn English is something I really enjoy.
That's wonderful to hear. I feel exactly the same way. Every episode is a new opportunity to help someone feel more confident speaking English.
Yes, that's true. And today we have something very special for our listeners.
That's right. Today, we have a simple English conversation for beginners.
First, we will listen to a short and easy dialogue.
It's a conversation between two friends, Emma and Ryan.
They are talking about planning a weekend trip together.
Yes, just relax and listen carefully.
Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen and try to understand the main idea.
After we listen to the conversation, Hannah and I will talk about it.
We will explain the words and the sentences, and we will make everything very easy to understand.
Exactly. We will also give you some examples so you can use these expressions in your own conversations.
Learning English should be fun and relaxing.
That's right. But before we begin, please help support our channel.
Yes, if you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English Learning Class. Like this video and share it with your friends. Sharing helps more people learn English.
Absolutely. Okay, Hannah, are we ready to begin? Yes, Daniel, I'm ready. Let's listen to the conversation between Emma and Ryan.
Hi, Ryan. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it really is. The sun is shining and the air feels fresh.
Days like this always make me feel happy.
Me too. It's a perfect day to go outside. Speaking of that, are you free this weekend?
I think so. I don't have any plans yet. Why do you ask?
I was thinking about going on a short trip.
A trip? That sounds interesting.
Yes, I thought we could visit the lake outside the city.
Oh, I know that place. It's very beautiful there.
Exactly. We could walk around the lake and enjoy nature.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
We could also bring some food and have a small picnic.
I like that idea very much.
Great. So, are you interested in coming with me?
Yes, of course. I'd love to join you.
Perfect. It will be a fun trip.
What time should we leave?
Maybe around 9 a.m.
That works for me.
Good. We can meet at the bus station.
Okay, 9 a.m. at the bus station.
Yes.
Should we bring anything for the trip?
Good question. I can prepare some sandwiches.
That sounds great. Can you bring some drinks?
Sure. I can bring water and juice.
Perfect. Maybe we can also bring some fruit.
That's a good idea. I'll bring apples and oranges.
Excellent. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It's going to be a great day. See you on Saturday.
See you.
And that was our conversation between Emma and Ryan.
Yes, it was a very friendly and simple conversation. Now let's talk about it step by step.
The conversation begins with Emma saying, "Hi, Ryan. How are you today?"
This is a very common way to start a conversation in English.
Exactly. When people meet, they usually ask, "How are you?"
Ryan answers, "I'm good, thank you. How are you?"
This is a polite response. He says thank you and asks the same question back.
That's right. In English conversation, it's polite to return the question.
Then Emma says, "I'm great. The weather is so nice today."
Now the topic changes to the weather. Talking about the weather is very common in English-speaking countries.
Yes, it is a popular topic for small talk. Small talk means a short, friendly conversation.
Exactly. Emma says the weather is nice. Ryan agrees. He says the sun is shining and the air feels fresh. This describes a beautiful day.
Emma then says, "Days like this always make me feel happy. This is a nice way to express feelings."
Ryan agrees again and says it's a perfect day to go outside.
Then Emma changes the topic. She asks, "Are you free this weekend?"
This means, do you have time this weekend?
Ryan answers, "I don't have any plans yet." This means his schedule is empty.
Then he asks, why do you ask? This is a polite way to ask for the reason.
Emma explains her idea. She says, "I was thinking about going on a short trip."
This is a suggestion.
Ryan responds positively. He says, "That sounds interesting."
Emma then explains the plan. She says we could visit the lake outside the city.
The word could is used to make a suggestion.
Yes, it's softer and more polite than saying we will go.
Ryan likes the idea. He says the lake is very beautiful.
Emma continues describing the trip. She says they could walk around the lake and enjoy nature.
Ryan responds, "That sounds like a wonderful idea." This shows he is excited.
Then Emma adds another idea. She says they could bring food and have a small picnic.
Ryan likes this idea too. Finally, Emma asks, "Are you interested in coming with me?"
This is an invitation.
Ryan says, "Yes, of course. I'd love to join you."
This means he happily accepts the invitation.
Then they start discussing the details. Ryan asks, "What time should we leave?"
Emma suggests maybe around 9 a.m.
Ryan replies, "That works for me."
Good. We can meet at the bus station.
Okay, 9 a.m. at the bus station.
Yes. Should we bring anything for the trip?
Good question. I can prepare some sandwiches.
That sounds great. Can you bring some drinks?
Sure, I can bring water and juice.
Perfect. Maybe we can also bring some fruit.
That's a good idea. I'll bring apples and oranges.
Excellent. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It's going to be a great day. See you on Saturday.
See you.
And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. We listened to a simple conversation about planning a weekend trip.
Yes, and we learned many useful phrases for everyday English conversations. Remember, practicing simple conversations is one of the best ways to improve your English.
Exactly. Try reading the dialogue again and practice speaking it out loud.
And don't forget to support our channel, English Learning Class. Please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends.
And we have a question for you. Do you like going on trips? Where do you like to go on weekends? Write your answer in the comments. We would love to read your responses.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
Bye, everyone. See you in the next episode.